all you need to do is to relax. I will show you step by step on how to install One UI 5 using the update.zip file. Things that we need is a PC, a cable, the update.zip, and the ADB. I will put the XDA threads in my description, so all you need to do is to click the one that has your smartphone name on it. For example, I have the Galaxy S22 Plus, so I will go to the S22 XDA links. To choose which update.zip to download, you need to be on the latest security patch. So for me it's August. Now go to Settings, then About Phone. Here you should see the model number. Go back to XDA and check if they uploaded the update.zip for your model. If yes, click it and wait till the download finishes. The file ends with a bin. When the file is downloaded, click on it and choose Properties. Here change the name to update.zip and click OK. The next step is to download platform tools from the link in my description. Now put the update.zip file inside the platform tools. Next, connect the cable to your PC and grab your phone and enable USB debugging. Follow my steps on how I do it. Now power off your phone. We need to put the phone into recovery mode. For Galaxy S22 users, just hold the power off button and the volume up together and connect the phone with a PC using your cable. Keep holding till the phone shows the recovery mode. Now move with the volume down key to this option and click the power off button. Next, open the platform tools folder and follow what I do. Write CMD and hit enter. The CMD table should pop up. Now write ADB devices and hit enter. If it's working, it will show you a similar text. Then write ADB sideload update.zip and hit enter again. Just wait to complete and your phone will boot into One UI 5. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Have fun with the beta.